this morning on the 10th of April at about 8:45. I thought I'd just lay down a bit of developments of Zaanhoven. Zaanhoven is now being rebuilt, containing a museum for trams and trolleybuses and also a fun park. That is the setup. So basically Zaanhoven is now still a station with the trains connecting it to Zaan CS, but behind it is the start of the museum. Above this horse and cart will come a sign that introduces the museum, and as you see there's a little tram running around, and there will be 2 trams in the future running around connecting Zaanhoven, the station, with the rest of the village and the rest of the displays. So when people walk out of the station, they first see the little cart and trolley, and behind it are a number of trams. The one over here is a tram from Lisbon in Portugal. These trams over here are German trams from the early 1900s. Then we go into the village, and over there will be the depot of the trams, the tram shed. We'll go to that a little bit later. In the village we still have the same sort of houses. There's the pub, there's the Kentucky Fried, there's the store. But over here we have a display of a number of trams. Okay, firstly we have a Melbourne W6, a beautiful die-cast model. Behind it we have the Goninen tram from Hong Kong, and behind that we have the tram that I bought in Holland from Nick. Over here is where the fair will be situated. And as you see, over there behind the station is the Hondenkop. Right. Over here is where a tram is being built, and where a panel of the tram, the side panel, is put over there. There's a Hondenkop as the rails runs on the outside of Zaanhoven. Eventually this will be level with Zaanhoven over there. That rails there will be connected up to that. There will be a canal in between the 2 ground plates. There will be 2 bridges, 2 train bridges, one over there and one over on the other side, and there will be 1 bridge for buses and other things that will come from Zaanhoven over there as well. Now the intention is to find the right size rail, because most of these wheels are smaller than the HO tracks, and when I have the right size rail, then to actually use a router and sink the rails into the ground plate so that the top of the rails are level with the ground, the top of the plate. That way then I can insert in the middle, in between the rails, whatever material I'm going to use, so that as in the real world with trams, the rails don't stick out way above the rail, but the rest of the traffic can use it as well. For the time being, well, Zaan is in disarray, and away for now. This, when I took it out of the display, fell to bits, and I'm fixing that. and that will actually move over to there on that piece of rail. So this is Zaanhoven, that houses TrammelanT, the museum of trams. The first T of TrammelanT stands for tram, and the last T of TrammelanT stands for trolleybuses. Trolleybuses, that's what I'm looking for at the moment to acquire via eBay. Alright. Just follow the little tram for a circuit. I'm not sure how to do it yet, but I want to run the other tram San Francisco there as well. Each opposite each other, each at the other end of the track, and with some sort of intermittent signal. I want to make them stop at regular intervals. These are some of the plans. So, from TrammelanT and Zaanhoven, goodbye.